How to delete email account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to delete your email account permanently, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the email app on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage or the chat section, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you're inside the main menu, go ahead and tap on the settings button. Under settings, select Account and Security option. On the next page, go all the way at the bottom and tap on Delete Email Account. To confirm the deletion, tap on Apply to Delete at the bottom. After deleting your account, your following data mentioned at the top will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Remember, once the account is deleted, your chats, contacts, and account cannot be recovered. After you tap on Apply to Delete, follow through the instructions and you'll be able to delete your email account permanently. After the deletion is completed, you can delete your email app as well from your device. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.